A warm good morning to one and all. Welcome back to our maths class. Last week we learned multiplication of polynomials, addition and subtraction of polynomials. Now today we are going to learn division of polynomials. Already you learned it in 6th standard. Division of polynomials. Division of polynomials. First, let us learn division of a monomial by a monomial or polynomial by a polynomial. Okay. Exercise 11D. First, divide. Their first question. Minus 70 a cube by 14 a square. Minus 70 a cube by 14 a square. Have to do this. Minus 70 minus 70 a cube by 14 a square. First let us divide the constants. 70 and 14. 70 and 14. We know that minus 17 by 14 a cube by a square. 14 and 17. 1 into 14, 14, 5 into 14, 70. 5 14s are 70. Then a cube by a square. We know that a raised to m, see, a raised to m by a raised to n is what? A raised to m minus n. A raised to m by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. Okay, a raised to m by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. So here a cube by a square is a cube minus 2. A raised to 1, that is a. So this 3 and 2 get cancelled. So the answer is minus 5a. Minus 5a. Okay. Here a cube means a into a into a. Divided by a square means a into a. So only one a is remaining. Okay. Others will cancel. A cube means a into a into a. See, a cube means a into a by a square means a into a. So this a and this a will cancel. This a and this a will cancel. Then only one a is there, you know. So a cube by a square is a raised to m by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. So 3 minus 2, that is minus 5a. Okay. So very simple division. Numerator divided by denominator. Otherwise cancellation. Clear? Next, fifth question. 63 a raised to 4 b raised to 5 c raised to 6 by minus 9 a square b raised to 4 c raised to 3. Okay, 63 a raised to 4 b raised to 5 c raised to 6 is divided by minus 9 a square b raised to 4 c cube. So this can be written as 63 a raised to 4 b raised to 5 c raised to 6 by minus 9 a square b raised to 4 c cube. We know that 63 by 9. 9 and 63 will cancel. 1 9s are 9. 1 9s are 9. 7 9s are 63. So minus 7. Minus 7. Then a raised to 4 is a numerator, a square is a denominator. So a raised to m by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. that is a raised to 4 minus 2. Same way b raised to 5 and b raised to 4. b raised to 5 minus 4. C raised to 6 minus 3. See, division, when we are dividing the same base with the different powers, we can subtract the powers only. A raised to m by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. m minus n. So here a raised to 4 minus 2, b raised to 5 minus 4, c raised to 6 minus 3. It is equal to minus 7, a raised to 2, b raised to, what is 5 minus 4? 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. C raised to 6 minus 3, 3. Okay, minus 7, a square, b c cube. B means b raised to 1. This is the answer. Minus 7, a square, b c cube. This is the answer of the question. 63, a raised to 4, b raised to 5, c raised to 6 divided by minus 9, a square, b raised to 4, c cube. See, now 7th question. 15 a cube, b raised to 4 minus 10 a raised to 4, b cube minus 25 a cube, b raised to 6 by minus 5 a cube, b square. So first, the dividend is a polynomial. Dividend is a polynomial. 15 a cube, b raised to 4 minus 10 a raised to 4, b cube minus 25 a cube, b raised to 6 means here 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 terms. So it's a polynomial, that is trinomial. And the divisor, this is called a divisor, dividend, divisor. Okay, dividend and divisor, and the answer is called quotient. So minus 5 a cube, b square is divisor. So here 3 terms are there. So each and every term should be divided by this minus 5 a cube, b square. See, 15 a cube, b raised to 4 is divided by minus 5 a cube, b square. Then minus 10 a raised to 4 b cube is divided by minus 5 a cube, b square. Again minus 25 a cube, b raised to 6 is divided by minus 5 a cube, b square. Okay, so let us divide. 15 a cube, b raised to 4 by minus 5 a cube, b square minus 10 a raised to 4 b raised to 3 by minus 5 a cube, b square minus 25 a cube, b raised to 6 by minus 5 a cube, b square. Okay, each and every term should be divided by minus 5 a cube, b square. That is 15 a cube, b raised to 4 by minus 5 a cube, b square minus 10 a raised to 4 b cube by minus 5 a cube, b square. Again minus 25 a cube, b raised to 6 by minus 5 a cube, b square. Now each and every term, so here this 1 5 is 5, 3 5s are 15. Okay, so minus sign is there. Minus 3, a cube and a cube get cancelled. B raised to 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. 2. Okay, now negative by negative, positive. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. So plus negative by negative, positive. 2 a raised to 4 by a cube. 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 2, b cube minus b square. 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, negative by negative, again positive. 5, 1 5s are 5, 5 5s are 25. A cube and a cube get cancelled. B raised to 6, b raised to 2. We know that a raised to m by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. So here b raised to 6 minus 2. What is 6 minus 2? 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. So this is the answer. minus 3b square plus 2ab plus 5b raised to 4. Each and every term should be divided. 15 by 5, here 3. Here minus sign is there, so minus 3. A cube and a cube get cancelled. Now b raised to 4 by b square. 4 minus 2, 2. Then again by negative positive. 10 divided by 5, 2. A raised to 4, a cube. 4 minus 3, 1. B cube, b square. 3 minus 2, again 1. Then negative by negative is positive. 1 5s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Then a cube and a cube get cancelled. B raised to 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, clear. Next, 8th question. Minus 14 x raised to 6 y cube minus 21 x raised to 4 y raised to 5 plus 7 x raised to 5 y raised to 4 divided by 7 x square y square. So first term, this is a polynomial with 3 terms, that is trinomial, and this is a monomial. So a trinomial or any polynomial is divided by monomial. So let us divide each and every term of this polynomial divided by 7x square y square. That is minus 14 x raised to 6 y cube divided by 7x square y square minus 21 x raised to 4 y raised to 5 divided by 7x square y square plus 7x raised to 5 y raised to 4 divided by 7x square y square. See, each and every term we can divide by this 7x square y square. Now, we know that 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14. Here minus sign is there, so minus 2. X raised to 6, x raised to 2. A raised to m by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. 6 minus 2. Then y 3 minus 2. Okay, again 1 7s are 7. 3 7s are 21. So minus 3. X raised to 4 minus 2. A raised to m by a raised to n. A raised to m minus n. Y raised to 5 minus 2. Plus 7 7 get cancelled. X raised to 5 minus 2. Y raised to 4 minus 2. That is minus 2 x raised to 4 y raised to 1 minus 3x square y raised to 3. 5 minus 2 is 3, you know, plus x raised to 5 minus 2 3, 4 minus 2 2. This is the answer. Minus 2 x raised to 4y minus 3x raised to 2y raised to 3 plus x cube y square. This is the answer. Okay. See that one. See next, 9th question. Question number 9, a square plus 7a plus 12 divided by a plus 4. We know that this is a polynomial, but a plus 4 is not a monomial. It has 2 terms. So it's a binomial. So how to divide this? A square plus 7a plus 12 divided by a plus 4. So a square is divided by a plus 4. 7a is divided by a plus 4. 12 is divided by a plus 4. So this is the previous method is not possible. Previous method is only applicable when the divisor is a monomial. The previous step is only applicable when the divisor is a monomial. But here the divisor is a polynomial or it's a binomial. Then how to divide? We know the usual division of numbers. This is dividend divided by divisor. Already you learned this one. Dividend. A square plus 7a plus 12 is called a dividend. Okay, a square plus 7a plus 12 is called dividend, and a plus 4 is divisor. Divisor. Now take the first term of the divisor. Before that, you should arrange the dividend and divisor in ascending order or descending order. Here I am writing the high from highest degree. First a square, degree 2 you know. So a square, then degree 1, then constant. Okay, that order. You should write the numbers in such an order. Degree 2, degree 1, then 0. Then a plus 4. Now the first term in the dividend is a square and the first term in divisor is a. Now let us check. A is multiplied by what number, you will get a square. A into what is a square? A into what is a square? A into dash is equal to a square. A into what number gives a square, or a square divided by a. You can check this one also. A square by a. What is a square by a? 2 minus 1. Power 2. Here 1. 2 minus 1. 1. That is a. So we know that a into a is a square. A into a is a square. So a into what a number is a square? A. A into a is a square. A into a is a square. Now this a should be multiplied by each and every number of here. So a into a square, and that one write it here. A into a square. Now a into 4 plus 4a. Okay, a into 4a. Then add it. Plus, sorry, subtraction. Usual division, you know. Second step, subtraction, you know. Now a square minus a square, 0 a square. 0 a square. Now 7. Here plus is there, but here minus. So 7 minus 7a minus 4a. What is 7a minus 4a? Plus 3a. 7a minus 4a plus 3a. Then bring down this 12. That is plus 12. Now 3a plus 12. A into what is 3a? Let us check. This is the new dividend and a plus 4 is the divisor. A into first term of the divisor. You take first term of the divisor a. A into what is 3a? A into what is 3a? A into 3. So here plus 3. A into 3 is 3a, you know. So 3 into a. Each and every term should be multiplied. 3 into a, 3a plus 3 into 4. 12. 3a minus 3a 0. 12 minus 12 0. Okay, so answer is equal to a plus 3. Answer is equal to a plus 3. Our answer a plus 3. Clear? First you write in this form, that is dividend divided by divisor, and first term of the divisor is a. Here first term of the dividend is a square. So a into what is a square? A into a is a square, and return it as top. Now each and every term should be multiplied by this number a. A into a square. A into 4, 4a. Now subtract. A square minus a square 0. 7a minus 4a 3a. Then bring down the next number. Plus 12. Now a into what is 3a? A into 3 is 3a. So here sign is plus. 3 into a 3a. Then 3 4s are 12. Now subtract. 3a minus 3a 0. 12 minus 12 0. So the answer is a plus 3. Quotient q is equal to a plus 3. Now if you have any doubt, you can multiply a plus 4 into a plus 3. Then you will get a square plus 7a plus 12. If you have any doubt in the answer, you can check it. A plus 3 into a plus 4. That is a square plus 7a plus 12. Clear? Okay? See 11th question. 12x square plus 7xy minus 12y square divided by 3x plus 4y. Okay, 12x square plus 7xy y minus 12y square divided by 3x plus 4y. So here 12x square, here degree 2, here also degree 2. This is also degree 2, you know. So this one can be arranged in any form. All are degree 2, you know. This is degree 2. Here x1, y1, 1 plus 1, degree 2. Here also degree 2. So we can arrange, no need to arrange this one. 12x square plus 7xy minus 12y square. Same way you can write. Divided by 3x plus 4y. Here dividend is 12x square plus 7xy minus 12y square. And divisor is 3x plus 4y. Now 3x. First term of the divisor 3x. First term of the dividend is 12x square. 12x square. Now 3x into what is 12x square? 3x into dash equal to 12x square. Otherwise 12x square is divided by 3x. 12x square is divided by 3x. 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12, x 4x. See 4x. First term of the dividend should be divided by first term of the divisor. You should divide first term of the divisor by dividend. That is 12x square by 3x. 12 by 3 is 4, x square by x. So here the first term of the quotient is 4x. 4x. Now each and every term should be multiplied by this 4x. 4x into 3x, 12x square. 4 3s are 12, x into x, x square. Plus 4x into 4y. 4x into 4y. 4 4s are 60. X into y, xy. Okay. Now subtract. 12 minus 12, 0. X square. Now here also minus, 7 minus 16. What is 7 minus 16? 7 minus 16. 9. And the sign is minus 9xy. How minus 9xy? Here minus sign is there, when we are subtracting, here minus. 7 minus 16. One is positive, other is negative, so subtraction. And the 16 is greater number, so sign, here the sign should be minus. 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 Okay, now bring down the next term. Minus 12y square. Bring down the next term, that is minus 12y square. Now again divide. 3x into what is 9xy? 3x into what is 9xy? Or 9xy minus 9xy divided by 3x. 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. X and x get cancelled. So what is the answer? Minus 3y. Isn't it? Minus 3y. Minus 9xy is divided by 3x. First term of the dividend should be divided by this divisor. First term of the divisor, that is minus 9xy by 3x. 9 and 3 get cancelled. X and x get cancelled. So only minus 3y is there. So here minus 3y. Minus 3y. Now this minus 3y into 3x. 3 3s are 9. Minus 9xy. Then minus 3 into 4. What is minus 3 into 4? Y. Minus 3 for minus 12y square. Okay. Now subtract. Minus 9. Minus 9. Minus 9. Right. Minus of minus, it will become plus. Okay. See. Minus 9xy minus 9xy. Minus 9 plus 18 ആണ്. But here we want to subtract minus 9 minus minus 9, minus of minus plus. So minus 9 plus 9. Minus 9 plus 9, 0. Again minus 12 minus minus 12. And this minus of minus become plus. Minus of minus become plus 12y square. So that is also 0. So quotient is equal to 4x minus 3y. Quotient is equal to 4x minus 3y. If you have any doubt, you can multiply 4x into 3y. Sorry, 4x minus 3y into 3x plus 4y. Then you will get 12x square plus 7xy minus 12y square. Okay. Clear? Hope you understand this one. First 3x into what is 12x square. To know that 12x square divided by 3x, it is 4x. So now this 4x is multiplied by each and every term of the divisor. 4x into 3x, 12x square. Then 4x into 4y, 16xy. Then subtract 12 minus 12, 0. 7 minus 16 is minus 9xy. Then bring down the next term. Then first term of the divisor minus 9xy divided by first term of the dividend. First term of the dividend 9xy. First term of the divisor 3x. So minus 9xy by 3x. That is minus 3y. So here you write minus 3y. Now minus 3y into 3x minus 9xy minus 3y into 4y minus 12y square. Then subtract. Subtraction means minus sign. This minus become plus. So minus 9 plus 9, 0. And this minus of minus plus. Minus 12 plus 12, 0. Okay. Homework. Exercise 11D. Question number 2, 3, 4, 6, then 10. Okay. These are the questions. 2, 3, 4, 6, 10. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 10. These are the homework questions. Hope you understand today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Papu. Da.